Alright guys, good day everyone and great to you all. I welcome you all to this new week. Today is Wednesday. I just took my first trade, on GBP Yesterday I stayed up all day looking for a support, but none of them was able to trigger me. I didn't see a good setup like yesterday, so today I spotted a good setup on GBP so I'm on the trade now. This light, they just gave us light now. I was already here to make this video before NEPA brought this light, so my system was down since morning. But I already did the analysis on weekend, so I was able to take the trade with my phone. So when my system powered on, I'm going to show you guys the trade on the system. But for now, I'll show you guys the screenshot. This is where when I analyzed the trade, and this is when the trade triggered me, and you can see it here on my MT5. The trade already gave me like 1:2, so but I'm going for 1:4.5. Let's see if I will hit TP, but once I'm up 3%, I can break even my 3% and then allow the rest to run. Okay, so let's see if we'll have the winning trade today. But no matter what the outcome is, as you guys know already, I'm definitely going to update you guys. I might do the next video today or tomorrow morning. So I need to charge my gadgets, everything. Even my power bank, everything is low, so I need to charge everything. If the trade play out today, I might not be able to update you guys on the trade today, but tomorrow morning I will do that. So let's see. I'll update you guys. Alright guys, good day everyone. I greet you all. So update on the yesterday trade. That trade later hit my SL this morning, just like an hour ago. So I took an L on that trade. But the thing is, because I had that trade overnight, I had a swap fee of almost $20 and commission fee of about $2, so I lost total of $75 on that trade, and that thing is very annoying, to be honest. It's very annoying. I don't know if I should stop holding trades overnight, take a trade that can hit TP same day, and all those high spread and all that is just messing my trading plans up. So this one trade now was taking like 1.5% out of my account, you see. And if this same thing happen again, that means I've lost 1% to commissions and spread. 1% that I don't even use to trade is just gone like that. So I'm just thinking of how to, navigate about it and see what I can do. But anyways, let me take you guys to the chart so I can show you guys the trade. I know I didn't show you guys the chart yesterday, so let me just go ahead and show you guys the trade now. Alright, so this is the trade here. See? And I made a very big mistake on this trade. Now this is GBP and it's just my mistake, so there's no need talking about it here. Something I had to amend and do better next time. So this is the trade, and you can see this is the candle that stopped me out just like an hour ago. So and let me show you guys the trade on my MT5. Okay, so this is the trade. You can see I lost a total of almost $76 on this trade, just like that, just for nothing. You see, and you can see my account is sitting at let's say 3.5%. I still have 3.5% left. So let's see. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I mean 4.5%. Yeah, I still have 4.5% to go. So we'll see. Let's see how it goes. I will update you guys if I see any trade again today, because today is Thursday. I still have one last chance, one last trade. The GBP trade is my first trade this week, so I have a good setup on Euro USD. So Euro USD and GBP USD. If this trade can retrace to this POI before 5, then I'm going to take this trade. But once it's 5 o'clock, I don't think I'll be taking any trade again today. Or if this GBP USD can retrace back to this POI before 5, then I'll be taking this buy. That is the only setup I have today, so I'll update you guys. Definitely, I'll update you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, good day everyone. I greet you all. Welcome to the end of this week episode. So today is Friday and this morning is after 11 a.m. So you people will be seeing this video tomorrow. So I've rounded up the week. I took just one trade this week. The setup I showed you guys yesterday on Euro USD and GBP USD did not trigger me, so I didn't take the trade again. So I took just one trade this week, that GBP JPY trade. And investigating that trade, I made a huge mistake on that trade, but it's okay. I'm going to try to amend it and then do better next week. Same mistake I made on this GBP JPY trade, I made same mistake on Euro USD trade last week, and I wrote it down, to be aware of this mistake. But then I still fell into that same mistake this week. Even though the trade moved for almost 1:3 RR before coming back to stop me out, but it's okay. I want to, trade with this no break-even rule. As you guys know, I just removed the break-even rule from my rules, to see how I would do. So if I trade with it for like this month, next month, if it doesn't favor me, then I'll have to, implement the rule back. So that when my trade move for like 1:1.5, 1:2, I can break even, But for now, I will focus on placing my trade and letting my trade run. So this week is a losing week. I don't have much to say, I took one trade and that one trade is a loss. This period has been a very hard time for me. Last month I took 12 trades. The trade breakdowns on this channel, the P&L for last month, I took a total of 12 trades, one close trade, one break even, and 10 losses. And these 10 losses last month, I had 7 losses in a row. After the win, I had 7 losses in a row. And this month I've had 3 losses in a row. So if you add it to last month's losses, that is 10 losses in a row. It's huge. It's huge for me. So I'm going to dedicate this weekend and see what I can, study and improve by next week. But I know my trading style, my strategy is good. My trading strategy is okay. There's nothing wrong with it. I think that my flaws are from trade management, how to manage my trade, because any trade I take moves to like 1:1, 1:2, before coming back to stop me out. So I believe the problem is from trade management, how I manage my trade. That is where the problem is coming from. So, but I've tried many times. I've tried to manage my trade through many means. So for now, I don't want to be jumping into things, jump into this one and stop. So I want to at least, when I implement something, I have to test it for a while and see if it's working or not. We don't just judge by 5 trade, 10 trade. So I want to implement it for a while and see how the result is. Then, if there is any amendment that I will carry, then I will carry on to amend anything I want to amend. So that is it. This trading shit is not easy. It's not easy. So anybody that tell you that trading is easy, this and that, bro, it's easy to some extent, but trust me, it's not that easy. It's not that easy, but we'll keep pushing. We don't have, there's no choice. We don't have any other choice. We have to keep pushing, and I believe that one day we're going to be at the top. This is my P&L for the week. Took one trade and lost like 70, almost $76 on that one trade, because of spread commission and all that. So now, on my last clip, when I did the calculation, I told you guys that I'm down. I have just 4.5%. That was wrong. The calculation was not right. So I still have my 5.5% on this account. So this is the P&L. You can see the account balance. We are down 4.5% now, because last week I was down 3%. Then this 1.5% this week, that is 4.5%. I still have 5%, to trade with. So please, guys, if it's your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, please give me a like and a follow. I document my trading journey here on this YouTube channel, so give me a like and a follow. Be a member of this family. I will really appreciate that. I will catch you guys next week, and I hope next week be a better week for us. I wish you guys a happy weekend, and happy profitable week ahead. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.